Cucina, YouTube's first and only Emmy-nominated cooking show. I'm Cara Di Falco, special guest today, Beth Neiden, co-author of Blue Barn Kitchen. We are hanging out at Vanilla Moore in Montclair at the chef's counter. We are making some clean cocktails, right?
We are making the Seeing Eye.
Ooh.
And the joke with this one, or the not joke with this one, is that the beta carotene and everything in the carotenoids, what are they called?
Carotenoids. In the carrots.
In the carrots are really good for your eyes, but if you're drinking more than one of these, you might be seeing double. I know. I killed it. I had to. Okay.
I love a good double entendre. Anyways.
Let's start with the ginger. Again, ginger is great for inflammation. Ginger is great. Yeah, we're gonna muddle it.
We're muddling? Okay.
Yeah, ginger is great for inflammation. It's great for stomach. It's great for headaches. It's really one of those around your body. They work really well.
Yeah, it's
I'm not a
super
huge
powerful
fan
ingredients. I love
of ginger in like teas, but in cocktails and food, I really like it. I just don't like it that strong ginger flavor. So this doesn't have it. If you like a strong ginger flavor, then add more ginger. You add really little pieces.
Which, like as I say, like I always tell you guys, it's your food, it's your cocktail. So whatever you like, put it in, or take it out if you don't like it. So
so this is plain carrot juice. You can add carrot mango. You can go buy carrot juice with lime in it, with strawberries in, like whatever you like. You really want everyone who reads the book to play with the flavors, because the book is really how to have your own.
It's a guide.
It's a guide. It's DIY. So really figuring out which recipes you like best, and then changing them up for yourself.
And working them to yourself.
Exactly. Okay, so this is fresh apple juice or apple cider, because I pressed apples in my juicer. I don't know if it makes sense. Let's go. Some carrot juice, and this is gin. Nice gin. Let's add some ice to that.
Okay.
Again, we're gonna shake it up so it's nice and cold, and we melt a little bit of the water into the drink itself. This is my favorite shaker. Then we'll take the top off and that's the whole thing.
There you go.
If you want it to get really cold in your hand, you can see the. I don't know if you can see it, but the color's changing a little bit. Again, this is going to be a great color.
And we garnish with a little piece of ginger and lime.
We do, but what I'd like everyone to do is either you could add a little bit of seltzer on top of this one.
Okay.
And you could squeeze the lime into it too.
Okay.
Just a little bit on top.
Put a little bit of lime on top.
All
right. The Seeing Eye. Let's see. Oh, lovely. Oh, that's just very nice. Nice mild taste.
It is.
And a beautiful color. Look how pretty that is.
So you can use a mulled cider. You can use something, a regular apple juice. When you taste it, you can taste it in the back of your throat. You can taste the
little ginger. The ginger hits.
The ginger and that sweet apple taste.
Yes.
So these were gala apples. You can use whatever apples you get, or just regular apple cider from the store. But either way, make this drink.
Love this.
And have more than one.
And see what you see with your Seeing Eye.
Yeah, seeing double.
Guys, this recipe is going to be at caradifalco.com. You can find it at the link below. You can find Beth at bluebarnkitchen.com. We'll also hook you up with her book, Clean Cocktails. You can purchase that at the link below as well. And that is it for this week in the Cucina. I will see you guys next time. Salud.